Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shifali Art and Blog. Today I'm going to paint with acrylic color. So मैंने एक वर्ड की ड्राइंग बनाई है और मैं पेंट करने वाली हूँ उसे. So for the background I'm choosing light blue color. You can choose any color. And guys, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for every new notification. And if you will like it, then please like my video. So इस कलर से मैं पूरा बैकग्राउंड करूँगी पेंट. And now I'm painting a branch, trees branches. So I'm using brown color, dark brown color. For branches you should always choose first dark brown and then you should choose light brown color. So I'm using now light brown color. And some black color. And now take white color and fill in the word. अगर आप कोई भी आकृति बना रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको उसे वाइट कलर से, अगर एक्रिलिक पेंट्स में बना रहे हैं तो उसे सबसे पहले वाइट कलर में करना चाहिए पेंट. उसके बाद जो भी आपको कलर्स करने हैं वो करना चाहिए. So in the wings I'm painting black color and some white color. In the neck I chose white color and in all areas I'm painting yellow color. And it's gonna be ready. You can see it. For the outline I'm using black color in the wings and in the yellow side I chose dark yellow for the outline. So now take some pink color and make flowers with small brush like this. So now I'm using light pink color and making flowers. You can see it, it's looking beautiful. Hope you all are liking it. And now take some red color and make flowers with it. And now take green color and make some leaves between the flowers and some areas in the areas. So now it's gonna be ready. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you all. Bye.